we're going to celebrate that gold medal because I am smack bang in the middle of two Richards. Richard Thompson is on my right, and on my left is master mixologist Richard Atkins. Your namesake.
King Richard, royalty.
King Richard. I like that. That's a name from Normal. King Richard.
It is amazing to be here, as usual.
We're going to celebrate that gold medal today.
Of course.
We're powered by Hennessy, and we're going to celebrate that gold medal that these boys, as I said, worked so hard for how many years ago?
I'm actually going to try to recreate liquid gold, in a
Whoa.
sense, right?
Whoa.
I heard Richard say that he did not really feel that love, that appreciation from us. And it's a heartbreaking thing to hear.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Richard is a national icon, a treasure. He is someone that worked really hard, went out there, and put us on the map. From my entire industry, we appreciate him. You know, because I mean, it was difficult at that time. We had to duck. There were a lot of TVs, and nobody wanted to see us. They all wanted to see you.
So you were blocking people behind the bar.
It's kind of hard to
Hold on. Out to the way.
But at the end of the day, I wanted to see it as well. Today, I am definitely going to try to recreate something.
Liquid gold, I love that.
Right, so the drink is titled Torpedo Gold. It came to me last night. It just came to me, and I had to do it. You know, I have a little bit of gold in here,
Yes.
liquid gold, and I'm going to go with I mean, it's more on the tart side. I'll do 1 ounce per drink. I'm going to allow you to have some Torpedo Gold as well, Joe.
I appreciate it.
I think it's fair.
It's only fitting.
You know,
Yeah.
you put together a great show today. You have 2 amazing Richards. It doesn't really get better than this. You know, so let's get into it. So this is my golden syrup here. Right? I mean, literally see the gold.
Like, you gonna tell us what it is?
Yes, I call it a black and white syrup. It's a simple syrup. I call it black and white because I use white and brown sugar. Now, I don't think it's internationally known as black and white.
Yeah. You just need the black and white.
Of course I can. I'm Richard Atkins, the mixologist. I can't do these things. See how he wins golds? That is it. And he won gold without having to enhance himself.
Out of France, in French.
Out of France. This is probably the most expressive and distinctive spirit where cognacs are concerned. And I'm going to use, as I usually like to, a copious amount of stock. So we have a golden Richard here. So it is only fair that he's presented with gold. So here you have it. Properly chilled beverage. Look at it. Does not look like gold.
Close enough.
Close enough, they say. A little more for you, Joe. We'll make sure and share with you as well. And then some more for Richard. Not really. But I mean, you should show off. Come on.
It is.
We are in the presence of royalty. Gold is what we're celebrating here. Citrus, small pieces. And I am now going to finish this off with just a touch of some spice. So the spice in this case would be tonka bean. I'm a big fan of it. You kind of want to get it all over the place. Then you dust, and then it is complete. And this is my creation. This is how I show my appreciation. I have always wanted to mix drinks for you Olympians. Unfortunately, the rest of you guys are not here.
Yeah.
But it's an
We need to make that happen.
It's
Definitely.
amazing to have you.
It's a pleasure to be here.
You can reciprocate from me. Trinidad and Tobago, we love you. We appreciate you and everything that you did. So cheers.
Cheers to that.
Richard,
Thank you, my brother.
I could not have said it any better. From one Richard to the next, Joel in between, we just want to say cheers, not only to Richard as a dad, but Richard as an Olympian that has represented us at 4 Olympic Games for over the last, that's over almost 2 decades, Richard. It's 2 decades,
Close to it, close to it.
2 decades.
Yes, yes.
And the sacrifices that Richard would have made over the years, and some of all the other athletes, all of the other Olympians, sometimes that we tend to overlook here in Sweet TNT. Cheers.
Cheers to that.
Torpedo goal.
Get the aromatics up in there.
Yeah, we smell good. We smell.
Then you sip on that.
Oh. Smooth.
It should be. That is it.
I love it. Great job, buddy.
Powered by Hennessy, guys. Toast and cheers.